brain splatter. Lovely. Giving me enough armor. My god. What's with the music? Can it be any more boring? This way. Ooh. You should have fired when you saw me, mate. Annoying. More annoying than Crazy Frog. Oh. I wonder if we jump down here, it's gonna do the loading thing. Whoa! You shot me before you saw me, you bastard! And you. Whoa! I can't even see because of the freaking dust. Yeah, they're dead. I have an itchy ear. Just hang on. There we go. Tis been itched. Oh, I just scared myself then. Whoa! God damn it! How can you survive that shit? Quick save.
You have one message. First message
from who?
Genevieve Aristide. John, it's Genevieve. It seems the Senator's plan failed. His Special Forces team has been unable to neutralize F.E.A.R. We should assume the worst. Instruct the security force to repel all outsiders. We need time to clean things up.
Hello. Yes. Wait, was it this way? Huh. Could have been. What's that ominous glow? Oh yeah. Oh. You know, I think that fatty McFat gets in the elevator when we arrive. He's not a man of his word at all. I believe so anyway. Did we come this way? Wait. I've gone back to the beginning. No! And I am not going to speed these videos up. No sirree. Because I'm fed up of cutting, splitting, editing and shiznism. I'm sure y'all can sympathize with me if you make videos. You know what I'm saying? On the down low.
Sayonara, sucker.
Hey! Hey! God fucking damn it! Ha! You only went up one floor. That's what fatties get. Oh no! No! I remember this. Okay, it's not here. It's coming. Sooner or later it will come. Oh, maybe not. Lol. The ATS proximity grenade. The M77 remote bomb are useful for setting traps, but it can also be employed as offensive weapons with little practice. How wonderful. Dun, 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 dun. F5. Quick save. And reload. But if this is, I remember correctly, the little bitch is gonna be here somewhere. Maybe not. Matilda, where are you? I've called you for tea 6 hours ago.
Oh, perfect. You again. See this button?
Yep.
I wonder what this does.
What does it do? A common mistake, you know? Anybody could have made that. So let's forgive him. You know, this is what humans are all about. It's what differentiates us from other animals. We can forgive. We can forget. Well, we can't forget, but we can forgive. Because we are kind people. That! Where the fudge packer am I supposed to go? I don't think I'm supposed to go back up here. Ah.